Okay guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna test this Arpha dash cam. This is a 2-channel camera, 5K resolution, 4K and 1080p if you use 2 channels. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, we're gonna see the features, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Coming up next. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Arpha dual channel smart dash cam. This one is a 5K camera for a single channel, but if you use it for front and rear camera, the 2 channel, it's gonna be 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear. Alright, it has a Wi-Fi, GPS and voice control. Comes with extra double-sided tape for both cameras, stickers to place the camera on that one. The cable is this one, is like an extension to connect the dash cam and then to connect the power and the rear camera. Trim tool and some clips. The manual, the rear camera, that's nice, with the extension cable, the power cable, USB-C to USB-A connection, cigarette lighter connection, and this is the dash cam. Looks nice. It has a micro SD card included of 64 gigs. It's already included in here. The connection for the USB-C, the power connection, the Wi-Fi. On this side nothing, and that's the double-sided tape to place it on the windshield. Okay, so it is nice. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, the dash cam is already installed. You can see it here. It's nice. So now the next thing is to download the app, and let's see the features, the settings for the camera. Let's do that next. Okay, we're ready. So we have to download this app. The name of the app is Arpha Vision, so we have to download that one. Okay, we have a lot of things. So the Bluetooth, we have to allow the Bluetooth. Yes, we have to connect to devices. Yes, allow, because we have to connect to that one. Use your location only while using app. So now here is the camera. I think this one, connect. Then it says join the Arpha Vision. Just click join, connecting to Wi-Fi successful. All right, so this one, it was faster than the other ones. On the other cameras, you have to go to the settings and to connect to the Wi-Fi manually. This one, it does everything automatically. That's amazing. Okay, so we have everything here. The first one is the DashCam albums, to see the files, to stop the recording, to start or stop the recording. I'm not gonna do it right now. The third one right here, the audio, see it? It takes time.
Audio on.
Okay, audio off.
Audio on.
Audio on. And on the second row, the first one on the left is switch mode, to switch the camera. Oh, we have to stop the recording. Stop the recording.
Recording stopped.
And then we can switch. Oh, we cannot do it here. So, well, this button doesn't work for this camera. So the next one is display mode. Let's see. Oh, right here. You can change to the front camera, rear camera. It's gonna show the rear camera, or both cameras. The rear camera small and the front big. I prefer to put the rear one on the big, or you can leave it like that. Let me see. I think I like on the rear camera. I like it better, like, to see the rear view. I had to adjust it a little bit down. I'm gonna do it in a little bit. And the next one is the resolution. Okay, so let's put 4K on the front and 1080p for the rear. It takes a little bit of time to do it, and that's it. So the resolution for the front camera is a 4K, and for the rear camera is 1080p. Now let's see the settings. To do it like this, because it's hard for me to reach. And these are the settings for the camera. The first one is the video resolution. I already changed it to 4K and for the front and 1080p for the rear. You put 2K for the front and 1080p for the rear, or 1080p and 1080p for all cameras. So I'm gonna leave it in 4K to the front. The second one is loop recording. I always like to leave it in 1 minute. You can change it to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. 1 minute because it's faster to download. The second one is the audio, to turn on off the audio recording. Video stamp, you can turn that on and off. The G sensor sensitivity, I like it in low. Okay, display mode, that's the one we just changed, rear camera, but you can put both views or just the front or just the rear camera. Okay, time lapse parking mode, 6 hours. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now. Time zone, this one is the -6, I think, in here. -7, no, -6. Okay, volume medium, I'm gonna leave it in low. Sometimes it's annoying. But you can change the volume right there. Voice control is on. Video commands, you can say this, turn off recording, open recording, something like that. Okay, then the next screen is ADS, Intelligent Driving Assistant. Okay, I don't know how to use that, so I'm gonna leave it off. Fatigue driving reminder is off. I don't like that, but you have the option to turn it on. Okay, in there. The frequency in 60 Hz. The date stamp, we have it month, day and year here in the United States, but you can change it the way you want it right here. What else? The speed unit is miles per hour, but you can change it to kilometers per hour right there. Boot ringtone is on. GPS information is there. Rear mirror, that's good. Rotate, synchronize time, synchronize with my phone. Car information is 57 gigs space. Format SD card, you can format the SD card right there, just format it right there. Format successful. Okay, and that's the name of the Wi-Fi. You can change it there if you want. The Wi-Fi password is right there, and you can change everything to the default settings right there. So that's everything for the app. It's pretty simple. You have everything there. Okay, let me show you how to download the video. Okay, for that you have to stop the recording of the camera here. Okay, and then go to Dash Cam Albums, this one on the left, and then in here you have some options: the photo, normal, the video, the bend when something happened, and the parking mode videos. Okay, right there on the top. So this one is the photos, but I don't have no photos because I just installed it. And here are all the videos, and you can click on any of the video and see it like that. That's for the rear camera. Okay, and to download it, let me show you to the side. These are the bend videos, and this is the parking mode videos. Okay, so let's go to the normal, and if you want to download any of the videos, click select. Okay, and then select the video that you want to download, click on that one, and then on the bottom it says download. Click on that one, and as you can see, this one is downloading, but I don't want to download it right now. Okay, and that's how to download the videos. So now the next thing is to see the videos front view, rear view on the day and night. Let's do that next. Okay, so now it's time to see the videos. This is the day view for the front camera, and the front camera is a 4K resolution, and as you can see, it looks amazing. It looks great. Resolution is great. You can see the cars, the shape of the cars, everything is pretty clear. And now the license plate, as you can see, they are readable. You can see it even from this police car, from this cop, but everything looks pretty clear for the front camera. And now let's see the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. Okay, so for the day, for the rear camera, it's pretty good. I can see everything. I can see the cars. I can see the license plates. I can see what type of car it is. So everything is pretty good for the rear camera in the day. So everything is visible. I can see everything. So no complaints for the rear camera during the day. Okay, now the moment of the truth. The night view for the front camera, 4K resolution, but it looks amazing. The light, we can see the light, we can see everything, the clouds, the cars, we can see what type of car it is, we can see the license plate, even the glare of the taillights is not affecting the camera. So for the night, it's great. So this camera has a night vision, so that's why everything is very clear. I can see everything pretty good. So for the front camera, it's great. I like it. And now let's see the night view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. So usually all the cameras, well, most of the cameras struggle at night. This one, it looks pretty good. It looks that it has a night vision, and the glare of the headlights is not affecting the resolution. I can see the license plate, I can see the cars, but still the resolution affects a little bit because it makes the view of the video a little bit grainy because of the resolution, because it's 1080p. But other than that, everything looks good. I can see everything. I can see the cars, the license plates, I can see it. But with the resolution, that's the only downside about the rear camera, but it looks good. Alright guys, so this is the Arpha B25. The camera is great, the resolution is pretty good. It's a 5K dash cam, but if you use both channels, it's a 4K and 1080p on the rear. I wish the rear had like a 2K resolution, but for the price I think it's pretty good. It has pretty good features. I'm putting the images of the features of the camera, so everything is great. I approve it. Now that you already saw the videos, you can decide if you want to buy this camera. Okay, I recommend it. It's pretty good, but compare other cameras, other reviews, and you can decide if this one is the one you want for your car. So the link for this product is gonna be on the description on the video down below. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video. If you have a question or a comment, put it on the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, and this is the giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera. I'm gonna put the picture in here, and the rules are very simple as always. Okay, first rule, you have to be subscribed to the channel, Shine Gadgets channel. Okay, you have to like this video, you have to put a comment in this video, and you have to share this video with your friends. And on the next video, we're gonna announce the winner. Okay, it's super simple, but this is only for the USA subscribers. Sorry for the international subscribers. So on the next video, we're gonna announce the winner. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and supporting the channel and liking the videos. Thank you. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Good luck, and see you on the next video.